Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well, and today I wanted to discuss 7 years of Android updates. So starting with the Pixel 8 series, Google has promised 7 years of updates. Samsung also hopped on board with the S24 series, along with the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, guaranteeing 7 years of Android updates. When it comes to the Samsung devices, I feel a bit more confident in the 7 years of updates because they have the latest and greatest Snapdragon chipset. But when it comes to the Pixel devices though, that's when I become skeptical because the Tensor G3 is quite far behind the Snapdragon SoC, and that has been the case every year with the Pixel. The reason this concerns me is I've heard others say that they have experienced slight hiccups and performance issues on their Pixel 8 devices, and if that's already happening, how will the device perform 7 years from now with the latest version of Android? Even if you have a Pixel 8 and it's a super smooth experience, how can Google be so confident in saying they guarantee 7 years of updates? And that's what leads me into my theories. Either Google knows that not many changes are coming to Android in the next 7 years, so they feel comfortable guaranteeing the updates, which I don't think is likely because technology is always moving forward, and I believe in that time we will have another large advancement like AI has made its way into smartphones. Think about if Google had guaranteed 7 years of updates with the Pixel 4 XL, a phone that launched in 2019, and now AI has burst onto the scene, which takes quite a bit of horsepower depending on the AI feature. What would they be telling their customers? How is Google so sure what Android will look like and feature 7 years from now? In the tech space, 7 years is a very long time, and that's why I'm skeptical. My second theory is that 7 years of updates is just a marketing tactic, which is a bit confusing because Samsung hopped on board guaranteeing 7 years of updates also. Why would companies guarantee updates for so long just to pull the rug out from under its customers? Maybe Samsung felt the need to match Google in the updates aspect to remain competitive. But Google does not have the best track record when it comes to their promises, so I wonder if it's just marketing. The third question of skepticism is, does it even matter? Are people really keeping a device for 7 years? That may be the case, but I believe it's far and few between. I believe Google should have just went with 5 years of updates, and if they feel a device can handle the next version, then roll out the updates to that device. It's unfair to overpromise and underdeliver. Does having 7 years of updates really convince a consumer to purchase a device over one that has 4 to 5 years of Android updates? Although I'm glad Android has started to provide a longer support life for devices going forward, as of now, I hold a lot of skepticism because a lot can happen in 7 years. I guess Google can still provide updates, but limit certain features devices get in order to make sure performance of older devices remains okay. I just wanted to make this video because I see lots of other reviewers touting the 7 years of updates as the be-all end-all of devices and acting like it automatically makes one device better than another. But for me and how I look at my devices and do my reviews, I look at the software right now and the feature set it comes with when the device launches, maybe revisiting that device 3 to 6 months, maybe even a year later to see how it's holding up. But I feel like it's unfair to say just because Google and Samsung are guaranteeing 7 years of updates, it automatically makes it a better choice than another device. Let me know where you guys stand on this topic. I appreciate you watching, and I will catch you in the next video.